guys, my name is Chandler and welcomes you to another episode of Great Builds. And in this episode, I have here is a 2017 Honda Civic Type R. And this body shell is made by Team C. If you've noticed guys that this has a shorter wheelbase, and the chassis that I'm gonna be using here is a Tamiya M chassis. This is the chassis that I'm gonna be using and it's almost done, and this chassis came from a Tamiya GR Yaris. I've done cutting all the parts. And this is the spoiler and two headlights and the rear lights. And this is also a spoiler. Should be put here. Now it's time to wash this with liquid detergent, and I'm gonna be putting on the mask. Now that I've done putting on the mask, these are the paints that I'm gonna be using. It is Racing White. It is also the same as the EK9 Type R. And you need to top coat it up with flat clear PS55. And the second coating is PS1 or the plain white. And the last coating will be black. But before that, I'm gonna be making this a carbon fiber. It's rear wing. I mean, who doesn't love carbon fibers on their cars, right? body has been painted, I already put on the stickers also. And the next thing that I'm going to do is make some roll cage out of balloon sticks. Well, who would want their race cars without a roll cage, right? This is now the roll cage that I've made, and I've already painted it with metallic blue. Now it's time to put it inside. I'm gonna be using a glue gun to stick this here. I've also put on some grills. I've used aluminum mesh wires here. The next thing that I'm going to do are the light buckets. These are the bucket lights, and I've already painted them with clear red and chrome silver. And painted them black for the headlights. And I've already put on some holes to fit in the 3mm and 5mm lights. Here are the tail lights. And the headlights. Now moving on to the chassis. This M chassis has 3 different wheelbases ranging from long, mid, and short. In this case, this Fk8 has a short wheelbase based on the manufacturer. And the kit that I usually build does not come with ESC, servo, and the transmitter and receiver. You need to buy them separately in order to build this one. This is the motor that usually comes with the kit, which will be placed here. And by the way guys, this chassis has a front wheel drive. This build is pretty much done. I've already put on the motor and the magnet post to the body. And this is the interior of the Fk8. And I've already put on the carbon fiber spoiler, so you can see. And to finish this off, I'm going to be installing the side mirrors. Now let's turn it on. Here is the battery that I'm gonna be installing. It's a 2-cell LiPo battery with 2200 milliamperes. So this is the transmitter that I've used. It's a FlySky GT3B. And for the wheel offset of this one, I've put some 1mm up front and 2mm in the back. Here's a quick walk around. There you have it, guys. I now present to you the Honda Civic Type R Fk8. And for those of you wanting to own this build, I am actually selling this and I will be posting this on my Facebook page soon, or you can leave a message on my Facebook page. And I will be putting down the link of my Facebook page on the description box down below so you can check it out. And I just want to share with you guys that I've hit my 1000 subscribers mark. Thanks to all of you guys for supporting. And if you're new here and love watching my builds, don't hesitate to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao!